Have you ever been ready to buy something on eBay, only to realize you're not sure how much is left on your gift card? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to check your eBay gift card balance in just a few simple steps, so you'll always know how much you can spend before you hit checkout. First, log into your eBay account. This part's important. eBay only allows you to check your balance when you're signed in. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and free to create one, and it'll make managing your purchases and gift cards much easier. Once you're logged in, browse through eBay and add any item to your cart. You don't actually have to buy it. This is just to access the checkout page. After adding an item, click Go to Checkout. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where the magic happens. Grab your eBay gift card and enter the code. It'll usually be a 13 or 16-digit number found on the back of the card or in your email if it's digital. Then click Apply. eBay will instantly display your remaining balance right there on the checkout page. It's super convenient. You can even repeat this process if you have multiple gift cards, letting you view and manage all your balances in one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your eBay gift card balance. It only takes a minute, and it helps you stay on top of your available credit so you're always ready for your next purchase. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick and easy tech tutorials like this one. And happy shopping on eBay.